Good afternoon, guys. Happy Easter. It's 3:19 on Sunday, April 21st, and we're running a 3-winner mini for Thors diecast lot. Look like nice ones. Sorry for the delay. Holiday weekend. 10 spots here. Top 3. Each win spots. Excuse me. I got a little rerouted there. Top 3 spots. There it is. Top 3 spots. Each get a main spot. Paste my list in there. There are 10 entries. Gonna roll the dice. See how many rounds we're gonna go. We gotta get a 5 or better. We got a 5, so we are good to go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Trey in the top spot for our first round. Chris takes round 2. Alex in the top spot for round 3. CJ takes round 4, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are Clint, Trey, and Jeff. Congrats, fellas. Here's the verification code. BLUMCT is our verification. Those are our top 3. I am done at 3:21 p.m. as seen here. And here, one last time, there's the results. Congrats, fellas. See you next time. Thanks.